Hello everyone, today we're going to be learning about base 10 blocks. So I am going to do the base 10 blocks. So you see here, as you see here, this really tiny block represents 1. See? 1. And that's what it means. So, yeah, as you can see, this is 1. We're going to delete that. Now I am going to show you 10. This is our 10s rod. As you can see right here, it is a 10s rod. We're going to go to the drawing tools. It is 10. We have 10 right here. There is 10 ones. So if you count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ones. You need 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Doesn't it look the same almost? There is 10 ones. We'll delete them now. Now we have 100. There is 100 ones. There is this many 10s. Let's see how much 10s are inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see, it's just like it. It's 10 10s. 100 is 10 10s. Kind of, it's really similar to how we did the ones. There are 10 ones in a 10. Isn't that funny? Now let's select all of them and delete them. Now let's start with the ones. We are going to add ones to find out our answer. 1, 2, 3. How much is this? You're correct. It's 5. There are 5 ones blocks. So that makes 5. As you can see, we have 5 ones blocks. Let's delete it. You can do the keypad too. Let's do 10 equals question mark. So you can see, what does 10 equal? Well, we can figure this out by using the base 10 blocks. As you can see, 10 equals 10 equals 10 10 ones. 10 equals 10 ones. Now we will do tens. Let's see how much tens it will take to make 100. Count with me. As you can see, you need 10 tens. You need 10 tens. You need 10 tens. We have the ruler to straighten it. Delete that. We can also, let's delete this right here. Start over. Yes. Alright, let's add 10 like this. How much tens are there? There is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that equals 40. You see, it's 40 right now, but we can change it. So just like adding ones, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. And we can add all these together. To make a 10. You see, now there are, that's right, there's 50. Now if I had 100, it's going to be 150. See? 150. 150. See guys, 150. Alright guys, that concludes this tutorial on how to use the base 10 blocks. I hope you enjoyed. Oops, I accidentally clicked the inspect button. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed doing the base 10 blocks with me. Make sure to tune in next time for more videos. Goodbye!